So good day everyone, I'm Ivan Dilaruscain, the reporter number 18, and my topic is all about role of sustainable agriculture and food system in promoting global food security. Promoting the security of the world food supplies depends on sustainable agriculture and food system. The security of world food supply is a pressing issue, particularly as the global population continues to grow, putting increasing pressure on our planet resources. Sustainable agriculture and food system are not merely a solution but a necessity in addressing this challenge. Sustainable agricultural methods ensure long-term food production while being both socially and environmentally responsible. Sustainable agricultural methods are essential for ensuring long-term food production while minimizing environmental impact and promoting social equality. This approach recognizes the interconnectedness of environmental, economic, and social factors in food production, aiming to create systems that benefits both present and future generations. Reduce food waste, increase equity and access to nourishing food are goals of sustainable food system. This system also supports small-scale farmers by promoting fair trade and reducing the influence of large corporations of food production. By promoting sustainable agriculture food system, countries can reduce their dependence on external source of food while promoting the local food production and consumption. Agroecology. An approach to sustainable agriculture is agroecology, which seeks to integrate ecological principles and local knowledge into farming practices. So when we say agroecology, focuses on maintaining healthy soils, enhancing biodiversity, conserving natural resources, and minimizing the use of external inputs. It is also prioritize the needs and knowledge of local communities and small-scale farmers rather than relying on large agribusiness. There is evidence that agroecological techniques can help farmers and communities economically and socially while increasing the yields. There's evidence that agroecological techniques can help farmers and communities economically and socially while increasing the yields, enhancing food quality, and reducing vulnerability to climate change. 4. Encouraging sustainable agricultural practices such as agroecology can help ensure future sustainability and increase food global security. Global food security is a difficult challenge that calls for all-encompassing strategy. This strategy foundational elements include sustainable agriculture and food system, which encourage resources efficiency, cut waste, and support regional food production. So that's all. Thank you for listening. Again, I am Ivan Dilaruscain, the reporter number 18.